Hello, loves. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to share what I have going on today. Got my Young Living order, so I'm going to do an unboxing of everything that I got. Unlike last month, where I only did a couple oils and just did the minimum order for my commission and free shipping, because the promos for July were all kid oils, and my kid is 16 and she can use all the regular oils, so I didn't really need it. This month, all of the promos were amazing. So I did the full 500 to get everything that was available for free. So I'll walk you through all of those things too. But first I'll show you what I ordered for myself. So right out of the gate, I had to open these two immediately. Surrender and Dreamcatcher. Surrender's the oil for August. Remember, we're doing the we did Great Purge, Great Release, and August is Great Surrender. This is amazing. I have it going immediately when I opened. I was like, I can't wait. So I have this diffusing in my living room and in my kitchen, and then I was so excited to smell Dreamcatcher also. I have this going in my bedroom. It's amazing. They're both amazing. This one, I was gonna look at the ingredients here. There's a spruce, there's some kind of fir or tree oil in this. Blue cypress is what I'm seeing right away. So that's Dreamcatcher, that's amazing. And Surrender has more of a, how do I describe it? I can feel, it has more of like serenity. There's like a lavender smell, of course, like what you need for Surrender, right? Here's something that I realized about Surrender too for this month. I was listening to a Glennon Doyle podcast on the way home recently, and I don't remember which one it is. I can find it and post it in stories, but she was talking about the definition of quitting. And quitting, I forget exactly, but it was something around the realm of retiring something. And I thought, isn't that interesting? In our culture, we think of surrendering as giving up. And quitting, the definition of it and the way that we relate to it changed in the Industrial Revolution, because quitting meant to like check out and to leave, to retire from the job. And then it gained this kind of energy that quitting is leaving something, but I just think it's really interesting because it has a similar energy to surrendering. It's like we resist surrendering because it feels like it's giving up, but it's actually just releasing something. I would say surrendering is allowing something to be what it is, and quitting is to release something. Like I released my marriage, I released that relationship, I released that job, because it's no longer congruent with me, or it's no longer serving of me. And I just think that's so interesting how we language things and how they end up, taking on meaning. Okay, so, I did a couple, so lemon, always and forever, like lemon, lavender, peppermint. If you're not diffusing that combo, it's amazing. So I did lemon, lavender. Did I get peppermint too? I'm out of all three. Orange, always for orange, you can diffuse it with all kinds of different things. Also got Sacred Mountain. That's amazing. A little bit of tree oil in there too. Really liking that. This is going to probably go in one of my chakra oil combos that I'm making that will be for sale at some point. I've just got to finish the whole series and then get those up for sale. And then because we're doing, surrender, release, all of these things, right? We're like so in the inner child, we're in the trauma, we're in all of it. So I just went full out Trauma Life. Haven't smelled this one yet, but 2 of my clients have it and they're just loving it. Oh, wow. That's really interesting. What is it? It almost has like an olive smell. I didn't look at what all the ingredients were. Let's see if I can even read this with my glasses. The thing is so tiny. I'm not sure what that is I'm smelling. There's black spruce in it, valerian, frankincense. Looks like sandalwood. It's really yummy. So I haven't diffused that one yet. And then I did Inner Child, because I mean, come on, this is what we're doing right now, right? We're like in it. We're in all the things. Oh, I love it. A friend of mine described it as smelling like a baby. So I expected it to smell like baby powder or something, but it doesn't. It's really nice and light and fresh. And it's got some lemon or something. And then Manuka I smelled at a friend's house recently, and I was like, oh my God, I need that immediately, if not sooner. And I wish I had my book right here to tell you the meaning of it. Maybe I'll include that in the write-up with the video. Okay, so what else? Oh, I got this. So I saw somebody else that had this Progessence, and it is bioidentical progesterone with yam root, and it's supposed to be good for hormone balance. And I was like, oh yes, please, immediately. And because of this and the way that she was applying it, and because I wanted this anyways, I ended up getting a pack of rollerball lids, so you can just change out the lid. Let me see if I can just show you how to do it right here. So I got that, and I specifically for this Progessence. But if you just put the lid on almost like you're going to put it on, but you don't, and then you use the lid to pull this little inner piece out. Okay, and then you just pop this in. Sometimes it's hard to get in, so if it doesn't quite go on, that one did, you can roll it down and it'll push it on when you put the lid on. Okay, so I forget what this is. I think you're supposed to roll it on inner thighs. Progessence, I'll tell you more about that as I use it, but it smells really nice. I like it. I like it. Okay, so those are all my oils, I think. Did I go through everything? Yeah, so Dreamcatcher, Surrender, Inner Child, Trauma Life. I mean, I just went all out because lavender, lemon, orange, Manuka, and Sacred Mountain, and Progessence. So that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 oils that I ordered this month. Plus the roller balls, plus lid labels. I think these are only like $3 or something, but I really like them to place on the top of the lids so that when they're sitting on the table, you can see what they are without having to pick it up and look at it. And also if you have wall shelves like I do, if you want to lay them horizontally, then you can see what they are, right? I have a bunch of those that I do horizontally with. And then the other thing that I got, this is what I'm most excited about. I'm drinking it already because it's so friggin' good. So I got the Ningxia bundle. You get 2 of these with the bundle. And then you also get a 30 pack of the 2-ounce individually already measured travel. So these are great, not only for travel, but also because they're already measured, right? So in this, I like to do it with carbonated water. So I just put one of these in a can of carbonated water. And this is an awesome antioxidant drink. I only have ever had 2 of these with the starter kit. And the moment that I tasted it, I was like, oh yeah, I want that regularly. It's an antioxidant drink, and I'll go into it a little bit more in another video because there's more to share about it, but it's made from wolfberries, and I need to explain the significance of what that means. So I'll do that in another video, but it's really beautiful metaphor for the ecosystem of the body and the forest. So anyways, this is a really nice drink, but it gives kind of an energy kick that is totally different than coffee. There's no shakiness. It kind of feels like it goes in and it fills in the cells that are depleted, and it makes you feel kind of more whole, steady, sturdy, hydrated, all of those things. Great for pre-exercise, which I'm going to get on the Peloton here in a bit after we're done, and do all that. So here's all the stuff that I got for free. So this is why I blew it out and did the full 500. So the 10 oils, the labels, the lids, the Ningxia, I think that's all that I paid for. And then every month, Young Living has different tiers of promos. So you always get free shipping at 100 PV, and PV is a point system that they use. It's roughly around $100. But every month you get free shipping, and that's what qualifies you for commission too if you're a business or a brand partner and doing it as a business. But then they have tiers of free gifts that they give. So at $190, it unlocks the first tier, and then it goes $250, $300, $400, $500. And my understanding is that they don't always have 500 months. I think they sometimes only have 300, but I'm new enough that I'm still learning. But like I said, last month it was all kid oils and I didn't need those. But this month the freebies were so awesome that I was like, I'm doing all of it because I could use all of it, need all of it. It's amazing. So the first tier, I'll try to get this right. I can't remember, but there is a little, it's in my feed in Instagram what the August promos are, and it lists the tiers and what the different things are. So Lemongrass for free. This was at $190, I think. And then you also get Lushious Lemon for free if you're a Subscribe to Save member. So you can be a member and get 24% off wholesale with everything just by purchasing a single 100 PV order one time, and then you get 24% for a year. If you also join Subscribe to Save, that is a loyalty rewards program where you're earning points and you're ordering something every month. You can, now that they've started the Subscribe to Save program, which is a little bit different than the rewards point program that they had before. It used to be that you had to order something every month. Now with a Subscribe to Save, you can do every month, every 2 months, every 3 months, and you can push it out, or you can skip it, right? And you can change what's in your order at any time. In order to continue earning points, you have to be at 50. But any order at all keeps your points and keeps you in the program. And then at $190, it unlocks some things. So here's what it was for this month: Lemongrass and Luscious Lemon, which is amazing, and I highly recommend diffusing this with vanilla. Thebalm.com. Okay, then the next tier, I believe, was, let's see, I think the $250 was Thieves dish soap. And I've heard some people say that they dilute this half and half with water to extend the life of this single bottle. So I'll show you something else that came with one of the tiers that makes that really easy. And then there's also Thieves sanitizing wipes. So Thieves kind of smells like, I hear some people calling it like Christmas in a bottle, but it's kind of like a cinnamon spicy. If you were with doTERRA, it's their version of On Guard. So it has like a protection quality to it. It's great to use as a throat spray if you're feeling sick, if you have, anything going on like immune system kind of stuff. And I don't have it here, but the Thieves bottle looks just like this. And you can get a lid that is like, it has a tall extender and a throat spray that you can just go directly on the throat. It works awesome. So I think that was $190, and then at $250, I want to say it was, you get not one, not two, but 3 of the Thieves foaming hand soap. And they send you the pump with it, so you can just use it right out of here. Or if you go to the 400 point, you get these really awesome bottles, which I haven't opened these yet. But these are so cute. Reusable glass bottles. So this says oil infused hand soap. So you can make whatever version you want and use this bottle for hand soap. So you can just put your Thieves right in here and use it that way. Or you can make your own. And then they also sent a free, I think this is a dish soap version. I mean, how cute are these? It's like, are you kidding? So if you are even sort of considering like, hey, I want to try it out, this is seriously a month to stock up. And then at the 500 point, you get the Desert Mist Diffuser. Okay, this sucker is $70 on its own if you were to buy it alone. Or if you get a premium starter kit, the whole kit is $165, and you get the starter kit of all the oils. I think there's 10 oils in it. There's a couple of the Lushious samples. There's the Thieves sanitizing hand spray. So anyways, here it is, and it's gorgeous. I wanted this diffuser anyway, and I needed another one. And look at how friggin' cute that is, and it lights up. I'm sure I'll do stories to show you, but I was like, I wanted this anyway. I needed another diffuser anyways, so why not order what I already need and get all of this stuff for free? It's absolutely insane. So great month to join and or to stock up to get all of this stuff for free. So just to go over again, Luscious lemon, or lemongrass, luscious lemon, Thieves sanitizing hand wipes, 3 Thieves foaming hand soaps, dish soap, 2 bottles of reusable cuteness that you can make your own, and the diffuser. Okay, all of that was free. Amazing. So I was like, yes, I am going to stock up this month because it's going to be amazing. So again, all of this stuff is listed out in my feed. You can see everything that's going on there. And what else? I think that's it. Enjoy it. Ningxia, amazing. Such a great drink. And there's also something called the Ningxia Balm if you need to really kick it into gear. A friend of mine that's a nurse that does 12-hour shifts is doing this in the middle of her day because it's just so much and it really helps her. So it's one of these packets of Ningxia. It is one of another thing called Ningxia Nitro, which is like a concentrated version. And then also something called Zing, which is like a carbonated energy drink, and you put the 3 of those together. But it's all natural, so it's great for your body. It's like an energy, antioxidant drink without all the crap in energy drinks. So anyways, that's what I got for you. Way exciting. I'm loving all of these oils. Cannot stand it. And then I think I earned 50 points also. So loyalty points just for ordering this stuff. So that equals $50 off free products another time. So the subscribe to save program is also giving you points back on everything that you order. So it's kind of like frequent flyer miles for oils. So anyways, that's it. I love you. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're hanging in there. And moon ceremony is tomorrow, Friday at noon. Full moon in, where are we at? Aquarius. This is the end of the full moon sandwich that I was talking about. July, we had a full moon in Aquarius, and now we have another one. So there's a little sandwich of energy going on there. Mentorship is on Saturday for my people, and I will be offering, I'm pretty sure, the mentorship program again next year. So if you're interested in that and you missed out this year, I do have a wait list started, and I'm only probably going to take 6 people, possibly 8, but I've got 6 in this year, and I really like that size, so I think I'm going to stick with that. So let me know if you're interested. All right, namaste.